If you're teaching Key Stage 2 French but aren't sure what to teach or how to teach it, our Lingobox Year 3 French programme has everything you need to teach with confidence and create a brilliant learning experience for your learners, even if you're completely new to French. So let's take a look at how our lessons work. The first thing to know is that everything is completely click and teach. Lessons are fully planned and resourced, so all you need to do is open the lesson and get started. We'll usually begin by introducing or revisiting language. This might be through one of our active language learn videos where children simply listen, repeat and join in. These have been designed to maximise learning by combining language, movement, melody and rhythm. And from there you'll find a range of expert teacher developed activities to consolidate and apply learning. This might include one of our catchy Lingobox songs, active games, speaking activities or interactive challenges. Everything has been carefully planned to develop learners' skills progressively and with options to both support and challenge. You'll also find our language detective activities where learners explore grammar through inquiry and teamwork, helping them to discover language patterns for themselves. Alongside this, our Phonics Explorer activities help children identify key French sound patterns and develop pronunciation and phonics skills step by step throughout the year. Every lesson finishes with a short, quick quiz plenary to revisit learning and celebrate success. Assessment is embedded throughout the programme with quick quizzes, learning passports and checkpoint lessons helping teachers monitor progress and celebrate achievement over time. There are 25 lessons in total, each providing around 45 minutes of content. You can teach these as one lesson or break them down into shorter activities across the week. You'll find suggested timings in the lesson plans and programme planner. Throughout the year we revisit key language through a spiral approach to learning, giving children regular opportunities to retrieve, practice and apply language across different contexts, helping to build confidence and support deeper learning over time. And for the full lesson plan, simply scroll down on the page and you'll find this all detailed below, including all activities, any vocabulary, any resources you might need, and then tips on how you can embed this language into your wider practice. You'll also find a short video on how to use the lessons within the lesson pack itself, as well as child-friendly "we are learning to" statements, any additional vocabulary you might need, and any links to any of our other Lingo boxes with supplementary activities that you can use in your class. If you'd like to try for yourself, we'd love to welcome you on board for a free trial, and you'll find options below on how you can get started today. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.